Hi, so we're going to paint on this jug, and the jug is made of glass. So in order to prepare that, and in fact to prepare any non-porous surface, so glass, porcelain, smooth plastic, anything like that, we use clear sealer. It's important to let this dry very well. Remember that after we've prepared the surface and painted on it and sealed it, it's still not really designed for functional wear, and you just need to, in this case, hand wash it. Today I'm using structure and some gel medium, and the structure colours that I've chosen are all transparent colours, and you can tell that if you look carefully on the tube, there's a little square at the bottom and that's hollow. That'll tell us that it's transparent. This will also help us get a translucent quality to the